What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Turbo's Garage. Now, a little update. We haven't been on a channel since like 5 months. A lot of stuff has happened, so I just want to get a little quick run through. The vet is gone, so I'm not messing with the LS2 automatic 4-speed vet anymore. It's just, for me, there was no scalability unless I spent like 20 grand on it, which is just, I'd rather throw the money into 240, which you're gonna see today. And secondly, we was kind of away from the channel for a good amount of time. I just had to get my priorities in order, which means like buy a house, stop spending hell amount of money on cars while you're living in an apartment. I had to kind of make the next step. So now we're in a good basis, we're a good comfortable state now. Back to the video. So today I want to focus on some 240 stuff. A lot of stuff has happened to the 240 that I haven't put on the channel because a lot of stuff has been going on. But now I want to get some POV video, like some first person view of actually driving the car and how it feels and shit like that, because I mean the car is dialed in for wastegate, so we're going to see how that feels. And I just want to do a quick run through the car. So a lot of people haven't seen what we've done to it previously, but I just want to kind of give everybody a good update on everything. So the 240, this old thing, this is a 1994, I believe it's 94 or 95, S14 240SX SE 5-lug automatic. Now, since it was like that till now, it's been 4.8 liter LS, precision turbo 400 trans brake, 300 ZX rear diff, and some drag slicks on it, and everything else to accomplish that. So if we look under the hood here, we got finally put some hood pins on there. I actually have the hood on here now. Before all the other videos, I didn't have a hood on. So now that we have the hood on this thing, everything pretty much came together. It looks very, very nice installed. I need to put a filter on the turbo. I mean, everybody's been telling me that, and I've been very, very stupid by doing that. But yeah, we're gonna get a filter put on there. We put the 2-step box in here. We had it unplugged when we went to the track because we just had a problem with the 2-step just kicking on whenever we didn't want it to. So that becomes a hindrance. So pretty much we just unplugged it for now, but it has 2-step on there if we really need it, and we just pretty much get everything dialed in. But 4.8 liter precision turbo, 76, 75 on 8 pounds of boost. It probably will make like 420, 430. We had a dyno tune, so we actually put it on the dyno. We put it up to around like 14, 15 pounds. And it made around 580. Now, me going down the track, me going down the street, I'm not having it that high is because, I mean, I'm trying to get the car dialed in for myself on wastegate to make sure I know exactly how the car reacts, and then I'll turn it up later. So call me a pussy if you want to. I just don't want to die. This thing doesn't have a cage in it. So you can hear the pump on this thing from like a mile away. When I was at the track, you can literally hear the pump louder than the car. Ridiculous. But yeah, I love this old thing, bruh. Some people see a shit box. I see my dream car. That sound, bruh. Ooh, she want to get up and go. Should have enough gas in it. Good, bruh. She is straight. Idle's good too. I mean, it's on full 80/85, so I mean, hopefully you guys heard that, but it's on full E85. We get straight, bruh. Let me get in there and turn this motherfucker off. Oh yeah. Fuck yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I know it gets dark pretty early around here, around 5 o'clock. So I mean, I have all the way till like around 2, 3 o'clock in the afternoon to like 5 o'clock to make a video. So I just wanted to get something out there. Just make sure you guys know we're still alive here, but we still got a lot of stuff coming on the way. Now, to better explain the whole vet situation, like why I got rid of the vet, I wanted to build it, but it being the 05, having the weaker trans, the weaker diff, I mean, a lot of people are gonna speculate, oh, he couldn't afford the thing. Like, I already bought a supercharger to swap on that car. So this is a LSA, fully ported, got all the badass shit on there, like crazy ass injectors. Like, I mean, I spent some dough just to get the supercharger for that car, and then finding out the car's cathedral port, so I'm gonna need to do adapters, I'm gonna have to cut the hood, then the transmission most likely is gonna blow up, and then the rear diff, if I do hard launch, is gonna blow up. It just, I don't feel like spending 15 grand into a 05 base vet. That's just me. Like, if it was a Z06 or something like that, if I had my money up, yeah. But outside of that, I mean, that's the main reason I got rid of it. So I want to repurpose this and throw it on my truck. Build a badass race truck as a crew cab truck. So it's gonna be something fun. And I find that like the Silverado, GMC Sierra stuff is like more popular than going like high dollar shit. So I guess it's gonna be more relatable. So if you throw this on the truck, put a 480 behind it, put some spray on it too, have some fun. That's what I really plan on doing. That's gonna be fun for me. So we're gonna have a race truck so I can hopefully race Nigel in his Turbo Tahoe. But outside of that, I mean, we're back. You're gonna see some more regular scheduled videos. So hope you guys enjoyed. I mean, something a little light right now, but once we get the 240 squared away where it's kind of streetable, yeah, we're gonna have some races. We're gonna be doing some hood rat shit. So hope you guys stay tuned. Hope you guys enjoyed. Turbo's Garage, peace.